Non-Muslims claim that Muslims are terrorists. But in reality, who is terrorist? Non-Muslims are terrorists. Because first, non-Muslims try to use abusive words, insulting words against the last Prophet Muhammad of Islam, peace be upon him. But when Muslims go in defend mode and use the same reversal behavior against the non-Muslim, then not even non-Muslim but their moderation authority, middle authorities, they came into action and they try to behave like they are so lover of humanity and justice, which is bullshit. Because in front of you, what you are saying is that moderation, team action, you can't pause for 7, comment for 7 days because you previously posted something didn't follow our community standard. What is written in the statement? To someone, a David, who is a non-Muslim and who had posted abusive, insulting behavior and words against Prophet Muhammad. Then these non-Muslims were blind, then their system was blind, and when Muslims report, Facebook authorities don't usually take this kind of action against them. Why this kind of double standard, you non-Muslims? Why do you show the double standard? Why do you call Muslims as terrorists? See yourself, your own authorities, your own non-Muslims are terrorists. And it is not a first time here. It happened on Quora as well. It happens on many other social media platforms where your non-Muslims authorities try to take advantage of their automated or robotic or other kind of systems. But why? Why? Who gave this right to you non-Muslims to insult the Prophet Muhammad through any method? Who gave you this authority? Who are you? You are nothing. You have no rights to insult the Prophet Muhammad because he is the Prophet of Allah. And you, who try to abuse and criticize his character without having knowledge, people like such kind of illiteracy are the real losers. And people who defend these kind of losers are real terrorists. And who are those? Non-Muslims authorities of middle systems who do this kind of behavior. And I am not going to remain silent. I will keep exposing your authorities. I will keep exposing and busting your false fabrication humanity, your so-called humanity. Your non-Muslims destroyed many Muslims countries. Your non-Muslims invents atomic weapons. Your non-Muslims supply atomic weapons in the world to kill the Muslims who are the real worshippers of real God Allah, who sent his real last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, 1400 years ago. And yet in the 21st century, you non-Muslims don't use your common sense and then you use insulting behavior against him. First, educate yourself before barking against the Prophet Muhammad. But if you will use abusive language, then obviously Muslims like me will stand, and we don't need to fear dogs who bark against the Prophet Muhammad. We are the lions of Islam. We are the warriors of Islam. We know how to defend and we know how to attack through words. And this was the attack through word. Why non-Muslims were not able to absorb the attack of words? When it comes against their ego, they don't bear it. So why do they expect Muslims to bear when non-Muslims insult the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Why do we expect this? When Muslims try to defend themselves, when Muslims try to attack, then you call them terrorists. But what do you do? What your middle authorities do? They are actually real terrorists. They do the worst by themselves. Not Muslims. Muslims are not fools. Muslims don't do it intentionally by themselves. Unless the non-Muslims try to misuse their weapons, their systems, and push back the Muslims and try to manipulate the character of Prophet Muhammad. And this is a practical proof by against, it is a slap against your humanity, your so-called humanity of the 21st century. Yes, there is humanity in non-Muslim for the dogs, for the animals, not true real humanity for the human being, because many Muslim countries have been destroyed by non-Muslims. So where is the humanity? Why do majority of non-Muslims remain silent when the world against Muslims and kill them? Because you non-Muslims and your authorities are losers, and you have no humanity. You have double standard against Muslims, and many Muslims leaders remain silent because they are cowards. But Muslim man is not coward. I will keep exposing your false game against Islam, and you will have to either change your behavior or revert back to Islam or surrender down to Allah, the King, Creator, God of nature, because you are worshipper of false gods, of false religions, and your religions have been expired and cancelled forever. You are living in darkness, worshippers of false imaginary gods, and we Muslims are the real worshippers of true God Allah. So you have no rights to kill Muslims, you have no rights to push back Muslims, you have no rights to control the Muslims. Muslims have these rights because they are worshipper of true God. You don't have any rights. You have to surrender. Bow down to the King of the universe. Bow down. Soon or later. Otherwise, you will be punished hard through the nature, through the army of nature, through the earthquakes, through the storms, through the heat wave. The nature of Allah, the system of Allah is activated, and you and your non-Muslim countries will be damaged one by the command of Allah, and your false gods will not be able to save you from the destruction by the command of Allah, because Allah is the creator and controller of the nature, and your false imaginary man-made gods cannot defend you. You can use your modern advanced materialistic technology, but you cannot use any technology against the Islamic spiritual technology. So wait, we have destroyed so many Muslims in the world, so many countries of Muslims. Now it's the time of Islam to rise, to prevail, and to capture the world by the command of Allah, by the mercy of Allah. Sooner or later, you have already seen how America had been destroyed in Afghanistan. That was the special help by Allah, a sign for those who think wisely, how the modern and most advanced technology country busted along with all its supporters. What happened? All technology, money, trillions of dollars, weapons, all wasted. And you claim that you have so much technology. One country defeated your America and all his partners. One country, no. One Allah defeated your technology. One Allah. And all your false gods busted, exposed. Boom. In the age of coronavirus. But you non-Muslims don't want to hear the truth, because you want to keep the human beings in deception just because of your science, medical science, limited medical science. You have nothing, you have no knowledge, you have no knowledge what is corona. You are just a puppet, you know nothing. Go grow up and have some knowledge. Otherwise, come to me and be my student, I will teach you. But surrender and first enter in Islam. Then, otherwise, enjoy the show of the nature.